Unveiling the warmth, the magic of spring thaw. Hello, and welcome to our Learning Corner. Today, we're embarking on a fascinating journey to understand a very picturesque phrase in the English language. Spring thaw is here. This phrase is not just a marker of time but a symphony of nature's transformation. It's an invitation to explore how seasons change and how this change is expressed through the beautiful tapestry of language. Let's dive in and unravel the layers of meaning and imagery behind this simple yet profound statement. At the heart of our exploration is the phrase, spring thaw. Let's break it down. Spring is one of the four seasons, known for its role as a time of renewal and rebirth. After the cold and dormancy of winter, spring symbolizes new life and fresh beginnings. Thaw, on the other hand, refers to the process of ice and snow melting away. When we say, spring thaw, we're talking about the period in spring when the warmth starts to seep back into the air, the ice melts, the snow recedes, and the earth becomes visible once again. It's a time when frozen rivers start to flow, and life, in various forms, begins to reawaken. Why is the spring thaw significant, and why do we even mention it? This phenomenon is a powerful symbol of transition and change. In many cultures, it marks the end of harsh, lifeless winters and the beginning of a season filled with life, color, and vitality. The spring thaw is often seen as a metaphor for hope and renewal, suggesting that after every period of hardship or dormancy, there is always an opportunity for renewal and growth. Furthermore, the spring thaw has practical implications for people living in colder climates. It affects agriculture, water supply, and even daily activities, as people can once again enjoy the outdoors without the barrier of snow and ice. Understanding the phrase is one thing, but using it effectively in conversation or writing is another. Here's how you might use, spring thaw is here. To signify the change of season, I can feel the spring thaw is here because the air is warmer, and the snow in my backyard has melted. As a metaphor for personal growth or change, after a difficult year, I finally feel like the spring thaw is here in my life, bringing new opportunities and happiness. And there you have it. The phrase, spring thaw is here, is a beautiful blend of natural observation and poetic expression, encapsulating the transition from winter to spring, from dormancy to vitality. It's a reminder that change is constant and often brings about growth and new beginnings. We hope this exploration has enriched your understanding and appreciation of the English language. Until next time, may the spring thaw bring warmth and renewal into your lives. Thank you for joining us, and happy learning!